This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by freeing up space and launching an elevated command prompt. This gets you into repair mode fast. Run sfc/scanno to correct corrupted system files that block restore creation. Once done, disable third-party antivirus because it can interfere with snapshot hooks, and back up any critical files before changing restore settings. Make sure system protection is on for the target drive. If it isn't, enable it and set a max usage percentage so restore points can be written. Next, you focus on the shadow copy infrastructure that actually makes restore points. Restart the volume shadow copy and software shadow copy provider services, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store that SFC relies on. Once those complete, attempt a manual restore point. If it fails, open Event Viewer and filter for VSS or system restore errors. Write down any error codes and messages, because those specific codes guide the next targeted fixes and registry checks you may need. Finally, recreate the restore point and confirm it appears in the system restore UI. You want a clean, successful entry. If it still fails, reset system restore settings by reverting to defaults or removing and re-adding system protection for the drive. Be careful in the registry and follow exact key names. Make sure to test again in safe mode or after a clean boot to isolate drivers or apps that interfere. If you encounter persistent errors, the Event Viewer code points you to the precise next action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.